Guys, and this is Coding with Gautam, and guys, today we will see how to do an app for APCSP that basically calculates your final price after putting in the price, the discount, and the state using Codar datasets. So let's dive in. Okay guys, so first let's look at the app design. So in the design, we can see that we have labels. So first, the text inputs are actually labels. So here we have just label 4, and just these are the normal labels. And then we have the output box, which basically exhibits the test. The calculate button, the states drop down, and options are basically a copy and paste of the 50 states of the US. Then discount, it's basically an input with an ID of discount. Price, it's an input of price. So yeah, this is the interface. Now let's go to code. In the code, first we have to create our variables: discount, price, and state. And now we have to go to the data. So let's go to the data. So this is my own created data set. You have to create the data set on your own. And I will put this in the comments if you want to follow along. This is basically like the project for APCSP, so you have to make your own data set. So basically here you have the state and the sales tax of each state. So basically 7.5%, 0%. So basically if you put the percent sign after it, that's how it goes. Okay, let's go back to data and then for the code. Okay, so you get the column sales tax state for the states, taxes, sales tax, and then you have the var tax and the var index. So there are variables: discount, price, state to store the values, tax to like store the tax after calculation, and then the index. Okay, so basically this is basically what happens. So on event, you click the calculate button. It takes the discount, it gets the discount, it gets the price, it gets the state. So basically it gets the values. So this is a text input, so it gets the price, it gets the discount, and it gets the state. So then you get the tax. So basically what happens is you have the state, but you have to figure out the tax yourself. So we're basically gonna loop through state. Okay, so let's go back to the data. On the data, you can see that Alabama is 0 index because it's the first, and it corresponds with the 0 index of the sales tax. So that's what we do for the code. We loop through states to find what index the state is. So for example, if I choose Montana, it will go through the code and see Montana is equal to what state. So it'll loop through the states, and then Montana equals to Montana. The index it was found at, it's gonna be like 36. So for now, so then we take 36, that's the index, and then it goes to tax is 36. So then you get the tax from that. Then for the calculate, first you have to make sure the discount is actually valid. So you check if it's less than 101 and it's greater than -1. And then for the final price, you do price minus the discount. So you basically take out the discount. And then for the final, if the tax isn't not equal to 0, so then you basically add the tax. So you divide it by 100, and then you multiply by final and add it to final. So it's basically math. And then you set text output to final. Else you set text output error. So now let's run. So basically it shows error if we do not have anything. So price, let's say I'm buying something for $99.99, and then I have a 25% discount. Calculate. I'm buying something for $100, and then I click reset, run. Okay, so let's say I'm buying something for let's say I'm buying something for $100. Discounting it at 15%, and then I live in South Dakota. The final price I have to pay is $88.825. Let's say I'm buying something for $35, and the discount is 35%, and then I'm living in Texas. That's 23 $23.02. So this is it, guys, how to build your own app for APCSP. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. This is Coding with Gautam, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day and enjoy your weekend.